you getting this error when you try to open or use an app, file, or folder? Now, this is an incredibly frustrating issue, but there are a few things you can do to fix it. Firstly, take ownership of the drive. You can do it by logging to your admin account, open File Explorer, navigate and right-click to your hard drive, select Properties, navigate to Security, click Advanced, then choose Change. Now select a new owner of the drive, and once you've picked a new owner, you have to click OK. But before you do anything else, check the box next to Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Then, you have to click OK. Another way you can try to do is run it into a compatible mode. Do it by right-clicking on the app that gives you the error, select Properties, choose Compatibility tab, then check Run this program in a Compatibility Mode 4. Now you have to select a legacy operating system. You can try any legacy operating system, but for somewhat modern apps, you should select Windows 7 or Windows 8. Once done, you have to click OK. And for your last resort, temporarily disable UAC. Do it by searching UAC in your computer, select Change User Account Control Settings, drag the slider to Never Notify, then click OK. Those are the possible ways on how you can fix this following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.